Welcome back to the Farm to Table series at the farm at Okefenokee, where what we eat begins just steps from our cabin doors. Today, Jenny and McKenna are heading into the standing gardens to harvest one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense vegetables we grow, broccoli. Broccoli is often called a superfood, and for good reason. It's rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and powerful antioxidants that support the immune system, digestion, and overall health. Here at the farm, broccoli grows thick and strong, producing large central heads and smaller side shoots that can be harvested again and again. After a good harvest, it's time to bring everything back to the cabin. Not just what we'll eat today, but what we'll enjoy later too. Jenny prepares a portion of the broccoli to be roasted in the oven at 400 degrees. A simple, familiar way to bring out its natural sweetness and crisp edges. Broccoli is incredibly adaptable. It works beautifully roasted, steamed, sautéed, blended into soups, tossed into salads, or even added to smoothies for a quiet nutrition boost. But today's harvest gave us more than we need right now, and that's part of the farm's rhythm. To make sure nothing goes to waste, Jenny blanches the extra broccoli in boiling water, then quickly cools it in an ice bath. This locks in the color, flavor, and nutrients before it's dried, vacuum sealed, and stored in the freezer for future meals. This is how abundance is honored here, by using what we need today and saving the rest for tomorrow. Fresh from the garden, thoughtfully preserved, ready whenever it's needed. Thanks for joining us for episode 2 of the Farm to Table series. We'll see you next time as another harvest makes its way from the soil to the cabin to the table.